Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Guitar. Yes, you heard it, Shaboozey has a new album. It's the Outlaw Cherry Lee album, and this song here, right here, with Kehlani, Bullets and Blades, is in my opinion one of the best, if not the best. Now, before we move on with this one, I need to highlight my new channel. It's called Guitar 6 strings ago. Link up here somewhere. I need your help, guys, to grow that channel. So if you want to thank me for anything here on this channel, go and check out that one, subscribe to that channel, and help me out. Thank you so much, guys. Now let's focus on this one. Without any capo, we're gonna go into the chords, and I believe we have like 7 chords or so. We're gonna start with the D minor / A. Okay, so we have that A part, open A, and then comes the D minor, open D, second G, third B, and first E. We have the A sharp, sus2, which is a bar chord. So you place any finger on the first fret, you push down 5 strings from bottom up like this. Then you need to add third D and third G. And then we have the F, again, a bar chord, and again on the first fret, this time all strings. You need to bar that, and then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. We're gonna take that grip almost exact same and go up to this position with the finger on the third frets, crossing all strings again as a bar, and then you need to add 5th A and 5th D, and that's your G minor. All right, then we have the C, and that goes third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We also got the CE, exact the same grip, but we're also gonna incorporate the open E string in the bass. So all strings incorporated in that CE chord. And finally, we have the A. And that goes open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. So, to the strumming first, we have a 2-part strumming. It's basically 6 downs, okay? So if you grab the first chord, D minor / A, one full round goes like this. So the first 3 downs is part 1, 1, 2, 3, on the bass string, okay? And then on the 4th, that's part 2, it starts on the high string. And then the last 2 downs back to bass. That's part 2. So you're gonna play on the bass strings for all the downs except from the 4th, the one that starts in part 2. So that's it. All right, so let's start with the first verse. Just with strumming, it goes D minor / A, part 1, then the A sharp, part 1, and F, 1 full round. So that's 1 round. You're gonna play 8 rounds of that. But you can also incorporate some notes to this. Maybe you noticed I played that in the introduction of the tutorial. I played like this. Yep. So you're gonna play 3 downs on the D minor / A. Then you're gonna play the A sharp, but I play just like that. So on the bass string on the first down. So really get that first fret A string. Then open D and third D on the other downs. And then on F, I play on the bass strings for the first 3 downs, basically the part 1. And then on part 2, I play this. So I go on the, that's 1 down, because I make a hammer-on thing going on there. So from 3rd E to 5th E, I hammer on. Means I don't play that 5th E, I just hammer on it. And then I play the 3rd A and 3rd D. That makes us for 1 round. So slowly like this. 8 rounds, either with the medley or not, it's up to you. That is the first verse. Then into the chorus at 50 seconds in, calls bullets and blades. That's where in the lyrics. Now you're gonna play just straight strumming. So G minor, 1 full round, C 1 full round, then F part 1, the C E part 1, and the D minor / A 1 full round. That's the first round. The second round is almost identical. It's the G minor 1, C1, F part 1, and then instead of playing the C, you now play the A part 1, and the D minor / A 1 full round. And then the third and final part here in this course is to play the A sharp 1 full round and C 1 full round. So I'm going to take you through this course. I'm going to play like this. C, F, C, E, D minor. Again, G minor, C, F, A, D minor, and A sharp, C, and then you're gonna final out this course with an instrumental part right after it. You're gonna play it on the D minor for 2 string rounds. That's the first round. In the second round, that's where Kehlani comes in. She or you are going to play the same for the for the second verse. It's played in the same way as the first verse, but it's just half as long. So 4 rounds is enough. 4 rounds for the first verse. Then you have that chorus played exactly in the same way as the first one. So no changes there. After that second chorus comes the bridge part. What you're going to play now is this G minor 1 full round, C 1 full round, F, C, E, and D minor. Basically exactly the same as the first 2 rounds in the chorus. That is what you're gonna play as a bridge. And then comes the final part of the song. It's the third chorus. It's played almost the same. So the first 2 rounds are probably the same, but then when you come to the third and final round, the A sharp 1 full round and C 1 full round, you're gonna play for 2 times. So you go back to that A sharp, C, A sharp, and C. And then you have the outro part left. It's just to stay in that D minor / A, played for 3 full rounds plus 1 extra round on that beautiful chord. And that's how it ends, guys. That is how you handle Bullets and Blades by Shaboozey and Kehlani. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Don't forget my new channel, Gruvgear Guitar, 6 strings ago. Subscribe to that one and be back here pretty soon. Love you guys.